This video is presenting the research on Smart Shelf by using RFID technology. We will briefly explain it by giving some introduction about this topic. Next, we will explain about what is RFID technology. RFID technology can help in transferring data between the reader and the tags that are attached to the object. The purpose of RFID technology is for identification and tracking through the radio waves communications. RFID consists of the three components: number 1, the antenna, number 2, reference tag, and lastly, reader. RFID technology had been used in a smart shelf. The aim of inventing the smart shelf using this technology is to detect and track the objects that placed on it. Besides, the real-time information about the objects and stock inventory can be obtained with RFID technology. There are some related work such as Smart Drawer, which is introduced by using RFID technology. This smart drawer is mainly used as pharmacy drawer or hospital cabinets. From the picture, it can be seen that every medications are packed within a tag, while there is a built-in RFID reader contains inside the drawer. The drawer's reader will interrogate all tags and forwards that data to the information system that store the medication data. By using RFID technology, it can automatically read the contents of each drawer in real time, eliminating the need for manual scans and alerting the staff of upcoming expiration dates. The antenna is one of the key factors of RFID system as it plays an important role in detecting and locating the actual location of an object. Some of the examples of the antenna is multi-loop antenna, near-field antenna, far-field antenna, and circularly polarized antenna. There are many differences of antenna. Number 1, the multi-loop antenna produces an electromagnetic field for RFID communication with RFID tags as it solves the holes problem. The antenna is currently used in Singapore National Library to track and locate books systematically. This is because this antenna generates a magnetic field with uniform magnitude for a larger region. The cost of implementation is low as inaccuracy in detecting objects 0%, 5% approximately. Number 2 is the near-field antenna, which has shorter readability range and can read objects near vicinity of the antenna. It is hard to design, which triggers identification problems to occur. One example of a proposed design is the simple microstrip line. Number 3, the far-field antenna, which has larger readability range. It is easy and straightforward, but somehow it has tag localization and undesirable reading problems. One proposed design is the folded dipole loop antenna, which is better than multi-turn loop or spiral inductor in far-field gain. Last but not least, the circularly polarized antenna. This antenna is very reliable in identification of the objects. This antenna is mostly used nowadays. It consists of two radiating patches, a microstrip feed line and a ground plane. It works by placing the patch above the microstrip feed line. There are three types of reference tag, which are active RFID tag, passive RFID tag, and semi-passive RFID tag. The table shows the comparisons between three types of reference tag. Another important component in design of Smart Shelf is the reader. Reader is the tool to communicate with the reference tag. There are certain types of reader with different features. In mobility, reader can be in a fixed position or be handheld by human. A fixed reader may use by a smart bookshelf to read the tag on the books that placed at the shelf, whereas a handheld reader may design for blind people to shop in supermarket to read the product's name and description. For the technology inside the reader, it is classified into read-only and read/write function. For reader with read-only function, the reader only can read the information on the tag. For reader with read/write technology, it not only can read information from the tag but can also write data on the tag. The RFID reader can has wired options, which is known as serial reader. It is connected using a cable to a computer system. Aside from it, a reader can has a wireless options that connected via wireless internet Wi-Fi. This reader is called as a network reader. According to the research that had carried out, the best design of RFID technology for a smart shelf is investigated. The antenna chosen is circularly polarized antenna and type of reference tag chosen is active RFID tag, whereas the reader chosen is with features of fixed position, read-only function and wireless connected. The reasons for choosing these design is stated as in the slide. As a conclusion, different features for the components of RFID technology to use in a smart shelf are investigated. However, the proposed design may not suitable for all smart shelf. Real work of this proposed designs to complete RFID smart shelf is not yet carried out to verify. Thanks for watching our video.